Are you someone who gets stuck bringing chips or sodas because you feel you can't cook worth a damn? I've got you. I'm Rose Oatley, and today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy, quick, and delicious pasta salad you can take to your next potluck or make at home for your family. Let's get started.
If you're in the mood for delicious food, come cook with Rose Oatley.
For this quick recipe, I like to use a family-sized bag of pre-cooked grilled chicken. I prefer the Johnsonville brand, but you can use whatever you have. These usually come in strips, so I like to cut them into bite-sized pieces. Now, if you don't want to use chicken, you can completely omit it, or you can substitute it with pepperoni or salami. You'll also need one whole package of grape tomatoes, which you'll want to cut in half. Let's set these aside temporarily. Depending on how much cheese you like, you'll need 1 to 2 fresh mozzarella pearls. They come in a ball like this. You just break them apart. I'm going to start with one to show you what it looks like. You'll also need 1 small can of sliced black olives. Make sure you drain them before you add them in there. To add a little extra flavor, you can chop 2 bulbs of green onions. This is optional. On medium-high heat, you want to start boiling your water for your pasta. While my water comes to a boil, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil to a pan. Add all your chicken. Even though the chicken is pre-cooked, we still want to warm it up and add a few extra spices. We'll start with some salt and pepper, and this is to your taste. Then you want to add 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Give it a mix to combine everything together, and then cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or until your chicken is warm. Once done, set aside. Once your water comes to a boil, you want to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to help prevent your pasta from sticking. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt to help flavor your pasta. I like using tricolor Rotini because it's colorful and it gives you a nice presentation. I also prefer the Barilla brand, but you can use whatever brand you have. You can also substitute it with shells or macaroni pasta if you like. Cook according to your box directions. This one's ready in 7 minutes. Once your pasta is done, you want to drain it and rinse in cold water to stop the cooking process. Place your pasta in a large bowl. Now add your chicken and the rest of the stuff you prepped. Let's give it a quick mix. I like extra cheese on mine, so I'm going to add just a little more, about half a package or so. Now also, if you're serving a large crowd, you want to double your recipe. For dressing, we're going to be using Zesty Italian Dressing. This is going to give it a really nice flavor. I usually add about 1/3 of my bottle. You want to be really generous so that everything gets coated in this dressing. I'll show you in just a bit how much I used. Now we're going to hit it with a little bit of pepper and some salt if needed. Let's give this a quick mix before we plate. I'm going to top mine off with a little bit of green onions. Now this is best when served fresh, but you can definitely refrigerate it. You can make it a day before, and it will keep for 3 to 4 days in a sealed container. With a pasta like this, you won't have anyone telling you to bring chips or drinks anymore. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please help me out by liking, sharing, and commenting below. Let me know what you usually get asked to bring. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.